Focus back to the equity market. We have Mr. Rohit Srivastava, founder of Strike Money Analytics and India Charts, joining us on the show. Rohit, good afternoon and thanks for your time. You know, the kind of bounce that we've seen on the markets today, yes, we're 100 points off the day's highest point, but it's still 500 points of an uptick for the Nifty. While a lot of this has to do with everything that's transpiring geopolitically, on the charts, tell us what kind of an indication does this bounce give you? Is it here to stay? Any visibility on that?
So definitely, like I mentioned last week also, we think we were coming to the close to the end of this sell-off. And today's move, I think more so that feeling is only getting stronger because our daily momentum indicators have already turned bullish last week. We have a couple of positive divergences on indicators like the RSI. And on several sentiment indicators, we have been very oversold, similar to what we have seen at previous major bottoms. So a lot of reasons why we should have been looking for a bottom. And the news flow, as you mentioned, is only supporting that. So I think we may be at the beginning of a potential bounce back or a rally, which we'll figure out along the way. But I don't think the upside is done. We could probably, add another 500,000 points more from here, and cross 24,000 in the days ahead.
Right. Also wanted your thoughts on PSU banks because that is one basket which is doing very well in trade today. Something like Punjab and Sindh Bank, that stock is up 5%. Maharashtra Bank and UCO Bank are also gaining nearly 5% in trade. Any thoughts on this entire pocket of the market?
A tricky lot, but I do think we will at least get a retracement of the fall because the PSU bank index, it fell from around 99.17 all the way down to 7,800. Going back to 8,000, 8,500 is, I think, very much feasible or visible in terms of even a bounce and a retracement. So surely there's a good trade here on the banking or PSU bank side. We will then, of course, try to figure out if that translates into any bigger move, but at least that much I think we will start by expecting.
Okay, well, that's on PSU banks. Rohit also talked to us about IT because it's been an underperformer for the longest time. But ever since the rupee has started losing strength against the dollar, and on days where the market has been under pressure, largely IT as a pack has continued to do well. It's doing well right now, also as we speak. What's your outlook on IT? Anything looking interesting?
Yeah, I think tech stocks, you're right. 17th of March is where they made the bottom. And then after that, we haven't seen a lower low in the Nifty IT index. So clearly there was a case for, adding them for a trade. Long term, I'm not sure because the kind of breaks we had actually seen earlier, in February, it was actually giving sign of some long-term weakness in the IT sector. But I think we have made at least some kind of bottom here, which is tradable, maybe 1 month, 2 month, 3 month kind of an upside could develop. Not a much longer call, but at least with that time period in mind, there could be a positive move in the IT sector as well.
Okay, so there could be a positive move in the IT sector. That's the technical view coming in. Mr. Srivastava, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here this afternoon on ET Now. But on that note, we need to slip into a very short break. More news and updates will continue on the other side. Don't go anywhere.